Hello, boys and girls. Miss Nikki is here with you to read about Olivia, the fun and happy, adventurous pig. I will be reading from her series, this book, Olivia Trains Her Cat. Olivia trains her cat. My cat Gwendolyn can jump, says Francine. Wow, all of the kids say. And Gwendolyn can also walk on her back legs, says Francine. Oh, that would be amazing to see. My cat, Edwin, can dance ballet, says Olivia. Wow, all of the kids say. Gwendolyn can cook, says Francine. So can Edwin, says Olivia. Wait a minute, boys and girls. Do you believe cats are able to cook? Miss Nikki is doubting it. Let's continue. Your cat sounds special, says Mrs. Hagenmuller. Can you bring your cats for show and tell? We can have a pet talent contest, says Olivia. Great idea, says Mrs. Hagenmuller. Edwin just likes to sleep, says Julian. Will Edwin do tricks? Olivia is sure that Edwin will. Okay, Edwin, jump, commands Olivia. Edwin keeps sleeping. If you jump through this hoop, you can have a fish. Edwin just snores. Olivia looks worried, doesn't she? Is something wrong, Olivia? Asks Mother. Edwin will not do tricks, says Olivia sadly. He just sleeps. It is hard to get an old cat to do tricks, says Mother. But Francine has a cat that will do tricks, groans Olivia. The next day at school, the talent show begins. My hamster can eat a carrot, says Daisy. Everyone claps. My parrot can say hi, says Harold. Hi there, says the parrot. Everyone claps. This is my lizard, says Julian. He can catch a fly. Everyone claps. This is my cat, Edwin, says Olivia. Edwin can do many tricks. Jump, Edwin, says Olivia. Edwin sleeps. Oh no, Olivia worries. Okay then, sleep, Edwin. Sleep. Edwin sleeps. Snore, Edwin. Edwin snores. Everyone claps. Good thinking, Olivia. That's what Miss Nikki is thinking. She changed her thinking and she asked Edwin to do something that he's already doing, sleeping and snoring. Good thinking, Olivia. Francine goes next. Meet Gwendolyn. She can walk on her back legs. Oh. She can flip backward. She can jump through a hoop. I think we have a winner. The winner is Gwendolyn, says Mrs. Hagenmuller. After school, Olivia and Julian go to her house. Edwin should have won, said Julian. Olivia looks around. Where is Edwin? Olivia and Julian search and search. Olivia and Julian go to Francine's house. They find Gwendolyn. They also find Edwin doing tricks. That's awesome, Edwin! Look at that! Edwin does more than sleeping and snoring. He can also do tricks. Yay! The end. All right, boys and girls. What did you think? Tell me. What was the good part of that story? Take a moment and think. You could pause, and when you're ready, press play. I will tell you what I think is a good part of the story. Olivia kept her spirits up, even though Edwin was showing that he wasn't able to do tricks when she was training him, and he wasn't doing any tricks, and she was worried. She did not change her mind. She still brought Edwin to the talent show at school. And even though he did not show any tricks at the show, he was sleeping and snoring, she was smart. And she changed her commands and told him to sleep and snore to make it look like it was her decision, her commanding him, and he was doing what she asked. So she was smart right there. She had a positive attitude. And at the end, when it seemed like she had lost him, she stayed calm. She looked for the cat, and she found him doing something amazing. He was doing tricks. So, Olivia again shows that she does not give up. She tries her best to have a good attitude, even when it gets tough sometimes. And sometimes when it does get tough, it's okay to be upset. But she turned it around. She tried to stay positive. And at the end, she was able to see her cat do tricks. Yay, Edwin! And